In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check LinkedIn profile created date. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the official date your LinkedIn account was created using the built-in settings on LinkedIn. Start by opening LinkedIn and heading to your main feed. If you're already signed in, this is the page you typically land on when you visit LinkedIn. Using a desktop browser makes this easiest to follow, though the labels are very similar on mobile. At the top of the page, click the Me icon, which is your profile photo and account menu. From the drop-down that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This opens LinkedIn settings in a new view where everything is organized by category. In the left-hand menu, select the Data Privacy section. This is where LinkedIn groups controls and information related to your data and how it's used. Don't worry, we're not changing anything here. We're just navigating to the place that shows your account's historical details. Within data privacy, find and click Manage Data Permissions. Depending on your account, you may see a short explanation screen or a prompt. If you do, simply continue to proceed. This ensures you're viewing the detailed controls that relate to what you've allowed LinkedIn to access or display. Next, look for the option labeled Manage the Data Permissions that you've given to LinkedIn and open it. This page aggregates items tied to your account history and permissions. Among these entries, LinkedIn includes a timestamp that indicates when your account was created. You should see a specific date listed. This represents your LinkedIn profile's creation date. In some layouts, it appears as a clickable date. Select that date to view any additional context available. The name of the section can vary slightly by region or over time, but the date itself is what matters here. Think of it as your LinkedIn start date, the moment your profile officially entered the LinkedIn ecosystem. A couple of quick tips as you verify the date. If you don't immediately see the date, give the page a moment to load or refresh and try again. If you're on the mobile app and the navigation looks different, switch to a desktop browser where the data privacy layout is usually clearest. Also note that LinkedIn occasionally updates menu names, but the path through settings and privacy and data privacy remains the most reliable way to reach this information. And that's it. You've navigated from your feed to settings and privacy, open data privacy, managed your data permissions, and located the exact date your LinkedIn account was created.